Wait before you click away. Listen carefully. You clicked on the right video at exactly the right time. Be honest with yourself. How many make money online videos have you watched already? Probably dozens, maybe hundreds. Flashy thumbnails, fake screenshots, overhyped promises, and after watching all of them, your bank account still looks the same. Most creators keep recycling the same, boring advice because they have never actually built anything real. But this video is different. If you skip this video, you may miss one of the biggest financial opportunities of this decade, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how ordinary people are using AI in 2026 to make real money every single day without coding, without huge investments, and without needing years of experience. Foolish people skip through videos looking for shortcuts. Smart people listen carefully and learn the full strategy. And I believe you're smarter than average, which is why you're still here. So forget what's on your screen. Focus only on my voice and pay attention, because what you're about to learn could genuinely change your financial future. And if you find value in this, subscribe to the channel, because this kind of information can put you years ahead of the average person. Let's start with the first and one of the easiest ways to make money with AI in 2026, offering AI-powered content services to businesses. Every business in America needs content. They need emails, blog posts, product descriptions, website copy, social media captions, ad copy, and marketing material. The problem is most business owners either don't have the time to create content or they're terrible at writing it. That creates a massive opportunity for you. By using AI tools strategically, you can help businesses produce content faster and more efficiently while charging premium prices for the result. Businesses do not care if you used AI to help you. They care whether the content brings them customers. If you can deliver results, many small businesses will gladly pay $500 to $2,000 per month for consistent content support. Imagine signing just 5 clients at $1,000 per month. That's a $5,000 monthly business built with nothing more than skill and a laptop. The second opportunity is AI thumbnail and design services. And this market is exploding right now. Every YouTuber, content creator, business, and brand needs graphics. They need thumbnails, ad creatives, Instagram posts, banners, sales page graphics, and promotional visuals. With AI image generation and design tools, you can now create professional level designs in a fraction of the time it used to take. Many creators care less about whether you're a traditional designer and more about whether your work gets clicks and attention. If your thumbnails increase click-through rate, clients will keep paying you. Many thumbnail designers charge anywhere from $50 to $300 per thumbnail, and top-tier designers make far more. One creator alone can provide repeat business every single week. Learn how to create compelling visuals, understand audience psychology, and combine that with AI tools, and you have a very profitable skill. Next is one of the most scalable opportunities in the modern creator economy: building faceless AI-powered content channels. You no longer need to show your face to build an audience online. Thousands of people are building YouTube channels, TikTok accounts, blogs, and social pages without ever appearing on camera. They use AI for research, script drafting, content planning, idea generation, workflow automation, and productivity. Then they monetize through ad revenue, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and digital products. One successful video can generate views for years. One well-ranked article can bring traffic every day while you sleep. One audience can become the foundation for multiple income streams. This model takes patience, but once momentum builds, content becomes one of the most powerful leveraged businesses in the world. Another major opportunity in 2026 is AI automation consulting. Businesses waste unbelievable amounts of time on repetitive tasks, responding to customer questions, sorting leads, scheduling appointments, updating spreadsheets, sending follow-up emails, entering data, and managing internal workflows. Most business owners know they should automate more, but they don't know how. If you learn how AI and automation tools can streamline these processes. You can charge businesses to build systems for them. Think about it from the client's perspective. If you save a business 20 hours per week, that could save them thousands of dollars every month. Charging $2,000 or even $5,000 for automation. Setup becomes easy when your solution creates that much value. This is one of the highest income AI service opportunities because businesses pay extremely well for efficiency. Another underrated model is selling AI-generated digital products. Digital products are incredibly powerful because you create them once and sell them repeatedly. Examples include templates, prompt packs, guides, planners, niche business resources, productivity systems, educational PDFs, and toolkits. AI helps speed up brainstorming, writing, outlining, formatting, and even design. If you create something genuinely useful and targeted toward a specific audience, you can build an asset that generates sales while you sleep. Imagine selling a $29 digital product just 10 times per day. That's nearly $9,000 per month from one product. Most people underestimate how powerful digital products can be because they think you need a huge audience. You don't. You need the right offer solving the right problem. Affiliate marketing with AI is another strategy becoming more effective than ever. Affiliate marketing means recommending tools, products, or software and earning a commission when someone purchases through your link. AI makes this process faster by helping you research products, write reviews, generate video scripts, optimize blog posts, improve SEO, and create comparison content. Software affiliate programs can be especially lucrative because many offer recurring monthly commissions. That means you refer one customer once, and that customer can continue generating income for you month after month. Build enough recurring affiliate revenue and you create a compounding income stream that grows over time. There is also enormous opportunity in AI education. Here's the reality: millions of people know AI is important, but most have no idea how to use it effectively. Business owners want to understand AI. Employees want to future-proof their careers. Entrepreneurs want to automate operations. Creators want to use AI to scale content. If you become skilled in any valuable AI workflow, you can teach it. You can package your knowledge into courses, coaching, workshops, paid communities, consulting, or tutorials. You do not need to be the best in the world. You simply need to know more than the people you're helping and explain it clearly. Teaching useful skills has always been profitable, and AI education is becoming one of the hottest knowledge markets online. Now here's the truth that most people won't tell you. AI itself is not the business. AI is the leverage. The people making serious money are not getting rich because they discovered some secret software. They are making money because they understand business fundamentals and use AI to move faster. AI does not replace skill. It multiplies skill. If two people use the same AI tools, the person who understands marketing, sales, psychology, branding, and execution will outperform the other every single time. AI is not a magic button. It is a force multiplier. This is why most people will fail. Not because the opportunity isn't real, but because they will treat AI like entertainment instead of opportunity. They will spend months watching tutorials, bookmarking tools, testing random prompts, and telling themselves they are learning. Meanwhile, someone less talented but more action-oriented will start offering services, building audiences, launching products, and gaining experience. Execution beats endless learning every time. So if you are serious about making money with AI in 2026, here is the smartest strategy. Choose one model and commit to it. Not 3, not 7. 1. Master one path before chasing the next. If you enjoy writing, start with AI content services. If you're creative, focus on design or thumbnails. If you like systems, learn automation. If you enjoy teaching, build educational content. If you want long-term leverage, build a faceless content brand. But pick one and go all in for at least 30 days. Spend that time learning the tools deeply. Practice until you can produce quality work. Study successful people already doing it. Build examples. Create proof. Then start offering your service. posting your content, or launching your product. Do not wait until you feel ready. Nobody feels ready in the beginning. The people who succeed are the ones who start before they feel prepared. And understand this clearly. We are still early. Most people are underestimating AI right now. They think it's just a trend, just a chatbot, just a gimmick. They do not realize that entire industries are being reshaped in real time. The same way early adopters of social media marketing, e-commerce, and YouTube had a massive advantage. The early adopters of AI implementation are positioning themselves for outsized rewards. 5 years from now, people will look back and say they wish they had taken AI seriously sooner. They will wish they had built skills when competition was lower. They will wish they had acted when opportunity was wide open. But by then, the easiest gains will likely be gone. That is why this moment matters. You do not need to be the smartest person. You do not need the best tools. You do not need a huge audience. You do not need money to start. You need focus. You need consistency. You need willingness to learn. And most importantly, you need action. Because at the end of the day, the biggest difference between the people who build wealth and the people who stay stuck is not information. Everyone has access to information now. The difference is execution. One person watches content and says, "Interesting." Another watches the same content and says, "I'm starting today." Their futures separate in that moment. So if you've been waiting for the right time to start building an online income stream with AI, this is your sign. Stop overthinking. Stop waiting for certainty. Stop assuming you need more preparation. The AI revolution is already happening. People are building businesses. People are replacing jobs. People are automating income streams. People are creating leverage faster than ever before. The only question is whether you will participate or sit back and watch others build the future while you remain exactly where you are years from now. When AI becomes part of everyday business and everyone finally understands how powerful it is, most people will wish they had started today. Make sure you're not one of them. Use the opportunity while it's early. Build while others hesitate. Learn while others ignore. Execute while others procrastinate. Because in 2026, AI is not just changing technology, it is changing who gets rich. And the people who adapt fastest will win the biggest.